They say after 60, it's normal to get weaker, that your body just can't build muscle like it used to. But what if that's not true at all? What if your muscles aren't too old? They're just asleep, waiting for the right signals to wake up again. You see, muscle loss after 60 doesn't happen because your body forgot how to grow. It happens because we stopped reminding it how. Imagine leaving a garden untouched, not watered, not cared for. It doesn't fade because of age. It fades because it's been ignored. The same thing happens inside your muscles. Most seniors are told to take it easy, avoid lifting, avoid squatting, avoid anything that feels hard. But that gentle advice often does more harm than good. Muscles don't shrink because you use them too much. They shrink because you use them too little. And when that happens, your metabolism slows, your balance suffers, and your energy dips lower every year. But here's the exciting part. Your body can still rebuild at any age. In fact, it can start responding within days, not months. You just need to give it small, consistent doses of the right kind of movement. Picture this, 10 minutes a day. That's it. You don't need a gym, fancy machines, or even equipment. Just a sturdy chair, a wall, and your own body weight. Try this. Slowly stand up from a chair, lift your arms overhead, then sit back down. Do that a few times a day. You're not just moving, you're reprogramming your muscle memory. It's like rebooting an old computer that suddenly runs faster again. These short bursts of movement tell your body, hey, we still need strength here. And once your muscles start getting that message, they begin to wake up. Your balance improves, stairs feel easier, and your confidence grows. Think of it as sending a daily text to your body saying, stay young. Now, movement alone isn't enough. Muscles don't grow out of thin air. They need the right materials. And that's where most seniors get it wrong. We've been told for years to eat less to stay healthy, but that can backfire. Your muscles depend on protein, especially as you age. Without enough, your body can't rebuild what you've worked so hard to activate. The fix is simple. Every meal, add a palm-sized portion of protein. Eggs for breakfast, fish or beans for lunch, maybe chicken or Greek yogurt for dinner. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. And if your appetite is small, even a boiled egg or a spoon of cottage cheese before bed can quietly help your body repair overnight. Here's why it works. Protein gives your muscles the bricks they need to rebuild. Exercise is just the signal. Food is the supply. Without one, the other can't finish the job. But there's one more secret that ties it all together. Recovery. Strength isn't built while you're exercising. It's built while you rest. The older we get, the longer our bodies need to repair, especially if we're under stress or not sleeping well. If you're doing everything right, but still feel weak or tired, this might be the missing link. Try winding down before bed with 5 minutes of deep breathing. Slowly in through your nose, slowly out through your mouth. It calms your nervous system, lowers stress hormones, and tells your body it's safe to rebuild now. It's like flipping a hidden switch that helps your body recover faster overnight. And here's the beautiful part. When you combine these 3 small habits, short daily movement, real protein, and gentle recovery, something incredible happens. You start feeling steadier, stronger, and more alive. Even your digestion and blood sugar can start to balance out naturally. So the truth is, getting older doesn't make you weak. What makes you weak is letting your muscles go quiet. But you can wake them back up 10 minutes at a time, starting today. If you're ready to take it further, download our Muscle Revival Blueprint, 30 Days to Reverse Age-Related Muscle Loss Naturally. It's a simple, senior-friendly plan that walks you through daily routines, meals, and progress steps, all designed to help you feel strong again without pain or gyms. And don't miss the video showing on your screen right now, Easy Home Workout for Seniors Without Equipment. It shows the exact moves you can start with today, right from your living room chair. Tell me in the comments, which part of your body do you want to get stronger first? Because your next decade of strength starts right now.